Did you know every APQS long arm quilting machine is backed by a lifetime warranty on parts and labor for the original owner? At APQS, we stand behind every machine because we build them to last. We use industrial grade components to last a lifetime so that you can spend more time quilting for yourself or your family or others. APQS machines are built with quality in America and require very little maintenance and very little service. But if you should ever need service or help with your machine, the APQS service team is just a phone call away. Did you know when you purchase a new APQS machine, you can add up to 2 additional people to your machine's lifetime warranty coverage? That means more peace of mind for quilting partners, family members, and shared studios and machines. At APQS, we know that quilting is a dream and a venture that's often shared with friends or passed on to family members. Like when I purchased my first long arm, it was a joint venture with my mother and my grandmother. Imagine the comfort of a warranty recorded in all of our names. At APQS, we value family, and our unmatched warranty is just one of the ways that we show it. At APQS, we can offer a lifetime warranty because our machines are designed and manufactured in-house. Our designers use only industrial-grade components that are tested to ensure that they're going to give you a lifetime of quilting joy. And it's because of this careful selection of components and your lifetime access to our service team that we can offer you a lifetime warranty for your APQS machine. APQS machines are built in America with American components, supported by experts, and designed to last so that you never need to worry. At APQS, we believe your quilting machine is an investment worth protecting. That's why we offer a lifetime warranty on parts and labor and continue supporting our machines long after purchase. APQS machines are built in America with American components, and should you ever need support, our helpful and very friendly service team is just a phone call or an email away. Did you know that at APQS, maintaining or servicing your own machine will not void the warranty? In fact, we encourage you to perform any maintenance or service that you're comfortable with on your own machine. If you need help with any aspect of your machine, you can simply check out the multitude of resources, how-tos, tutorials, things like that on our website or our YouTube channel. And of course, our service team is standing by if you ever have questions.